Thanks for joining us. Wisconsin's surge in cases doesn't just have the state worried about doctors and nurses being overwhelmed.
The people who work to prevent you from ending up sick or spreading the virus to others are in trouble too.
We talk about the strain on our frontline healthcare workers and our healthcare system, that we also don't forget about the strain on our public health infrastructure, and that includes our contact tracers.
That strain is forcing a nearby county to ask for help from the very people it serves.
Jamie Perez found out what Jefferson County needs.
Got to the point where with an average of 25 cases a day.
Those numbers haven't slowed lately for Jefferson County Health Director Gail Scott. She's logged about 100 coronavirus outbreaks in her communities since March.
An increase of 79% over the last 2 weeks of positive cases. It just got to the point where the cases were coming in way too fast.
That increase led Scott to ask for help from the people she's working to protect. The health department is asking them to do contact tracing themselves.
The reason was not that we didn't want to do it or we were trying to make other people do our job, but the reason was we needed help, and we just wanted to be honest that we needed that help.
Scott has about 15 people on staff doing contact tracing full time, about 12 hours a day. She's hoping to hire more to help with the situation that Wisconsin's health secretary is seeing all around the state.
It is why, when we built out this system and worked to reach our goal of 1,000 contact tracers, which we have now exceeded, we at the state reserved or worked with the locals to decide that we would provide surge capacity for local jurisdictions.
The DHS has 100 new contact tracers starting Monday. Meanwhile, Scott is looking at about 350 active cases and more than 1,400 total. She hopes that her new hires, paired with average people's help, will make for a more manageable workload.
We are back on the right track to hoping that within the next few days we can be back where we are able to get to people quicker.
For News 3 Now, I'm Jamie Perez.
Scott also said it takes about a month to get contact tracers hired and trained. She wasn't able to tell us yet if people are actually helping with contact tracing because her request was so recent.
Wisconsin